These are the ingredients I'll be using for my baked potatoes. I've got 1 red onion, potatoes. I've already peeled the carrots, and these are courgette. I'm going to wash them and then chop them into the sizes that I want. This is 1 tablespoon of black pepper and then 1 teaspoon of salt. I will also use 1 tablespoon of paprika. Got my ground ginger, put that one also on top. This is garlic granules. You can put as much as you want depending on the quantity. Next is thyme, parsley, oregano, and that's 3 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm going to mix everything together. That's all done. I've added additional 2 tablespoons of olive oil, okay, because you need that to help the potatoes especially to brown. I've transferred it into the baking tray. The next thing I'll do is to add my chicken. So this chicken has been marinated overnight, so it's been 24 hours. And it's literally the same spices that I use for the potatoes and the vegetables. The spices I use to marinate this chicken. I'm going to add some of the chicken to the baking tray. I added 10 of the chicken drumstick. So this is going to go into the oven. The oven has been preheated for about 10 minutes. Let's see what we can do with the remaining chicken. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of honey and 2 tablespoons of mustard. Okay, so they will both go into the oven, and at the end I will let you know how long they were in the oven for. This is looking very lovely. This is lovely, all ready for lunch. Let's serve this and start enjoying our lunch. That's our roasted potato. Wow, this looks very yummy, and trust me, it tastes like heaven. Okay, please click on the thumbs up. Yes, you heard me. Click on the thumbs up. I don't know why you didn't like this video. Do that, and please leave a comment. Let me know what you like about this video, and if there is any potato recipe that you would like me to learn or you like me to try on this channel, please leave your comment for me. Leave it in the comments and I'll do my best to deliver. Please subscribe to this channel and click on the notifications to receive updates when new videos are uploaded, and please share with someone on your Facebook and WhatsApp so that we can reach as many people as possible. God bless you, and I hope I've presented you a complete meal on kitchen romance. Take care, and I'll see you in my next video.